Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate multi-factor authentication or MFA for IAM user in AWS. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in AWS, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Activating the multi-factor authentication or MFA for an IAM user in AWS enhances security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to a password. It's a straightforward process really, but the thing is, it would add an extra layer of security beyond just the username and password. Even if credentials are compromised, an attacker would still need the second factor to gain access. For you to be able to enable for you to do that, I want you to click on the services here. Go to all services and I want you to type in IAM. Okay, and press enter. You see, you should select the IAM wherein you can manage access to AWS resources. I'm going to click on that and you would be given an option here that says add MFA. Now, if you add MFA for root user, you should enable multi-factor authentication for the root user to improve security for this account. All you're going to do is click the add MFA. All right, just wait for it to load. Now here you have multiple options, but for now I'm gonna put in Andy Guide as an example. Andy Guides. Now in the device options, in addition to username and password, you will use this device to authenticate into your account. You can use a passkey or security key. Now, the thing is, I prefer to use this one because you can authenticate using your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. Create a passkey on this device or use another device like a FIDO2 security key. But if you don't like it, you might want to click on the Authenticator app, especially if you use the Google Authenticator. You can authenticate using a code generated by an app installed on your mobile device, your tablet, or computer, or some of the most well-versed and tech-savvy developer or users prefer the hardware TOTP token because they can authenticate using a code generated by a hardware TOTP token or other hardware devices. But for now, I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna just use the passkey or security key and click on next. Now what will happen is, you see, the security key setup will be assigned to and this one, and the request is from Chrome. All they're gonna do is create a passkey on this device, or if you're using another device, connect it now. All they're gonna do is just follow the on-screen prompts. If in case you encounter any problems adding or enabling your multi-factor authentication here or MFA, I need you to click on the support center and go to the expert help. Now once you do that, click on the technical and click on create a case. Now go to technical and of course put in your question here and get an answer. Basically, one of the support staff will give you guidelines and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the issue of activating multi-factor authentication or MFA if you encounter any problems along the way. By enabling MFA for IAM users, it will significantly enhance the security of your AWS environment by reducing the likelihood of unauthorized access and protecting your resources from various security threats. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.